Hello everyone, my name is Denis, nice to see you, and hope you're not sleepy too much after the lunch. Today we're gonna talk about simple and secure multi-chain Yelp. And first of all, I would like to start with a small story. Yesterday on the panel, on the main stage, the CEO of the Circle, together with Vitaly Buterin, was speaking about future of crypto within like 3 years. And they were talking about like we, as soon as we're gonna use the services in crypto, as we use them on the basic, with the main utilities in the internet now, like everything is gonna change. But what I want to say today, we don't need to wait for another 3 years because Haust will deliver it today. So yesterday, they also confirmed that the challenges we face now, they're almost eliminated. But still, we have a lot of platforms, different cross-bridging transactions, complicated interfaces, but a lot of people, I'm sure, would like to participate in DeFi market. But by the way, I have a question. Have you ever tried to use and earn some money in DeFi market? But what if I say that I will deliver a tool, an application, an ecosystem, which every housekeeper can use and earn some money in crypto? Would you love to try it? Yes, I can see some of you would. So let me tell you how Haust Network eliminate all the challenges you faced on the previous slide. So all these green marks are delivered to you through the seamless ecosystem. And I will show you how this ecosystem works. And first of all, let me show you the next slide. So here you can see the basic infrastructure backed by the Haust network. And first of all, Haust network is extremely secure platform because we've integrated the Polygon ZK EVM SDK, which means it works on the ZK rollups, the most secure rollups on the internet we know now. On top of that, we placed the near data availability layer, which helps us to securely back up all the data we transact with different blockchains and in-house network as well. Besides that, Polygon announced the UG layer, the solution which is Haust network, the first application integrate ever. You can see the Polygons announced that the Haust network is the first project who is using the UG layer, which helps users seamlessly bridge tokens and assets within L1, L2, and all EVM blockchains within a second. And it's very easy for users who never integrated or never connected, never used DeFi tools to enter the market. This is really cool. And another thing which is on top of that is account abstraction, which helps us to implement social recovery tools. So you don't even need to be very upset if you lost your private keys. I'm sure a lot of you maybe faced these issues before. And also you can use multi-signatures within the application, which are quite complicated to use it if you don't have any special tech skills. Now it's available, for networks, for people who want to use extremely an extra security or multi-signature for different purposes in their business, in their networking, or in maybe big deals or something they want to implement on a daily basis. And all of that is in-house network. And as you can see on the screen, we've implemented the Haust set of smart contracts, which I'll show you on the next slide. But first of all, there are a bunch of things with the bridge and Aglair. So Haust stories, how do they work? Everything is connected with Haust story networks, which will basically launch with Binance chain, Ethereum chain, and Polygon network, of course. This means, so whenever you deposit funds on the Haust native network, they're gonna be automatically distributed among these networks and will generate the best yield from the liquidity protocols available now. So this is how multi-chain yield will be gained. For example, you just deposit, I don't know, $100 on the Haust network. You're gonna be, so 100 HUSDT will issued in the native network. And as soon as you deposit them, this money will be distributed, for example, in Ethereum network, if you transfer money from that one. But we'll hedge the funds and distribute rewards accordingly to your deposit from all the networks connected to the Haust network, which will do and expand very fast because of the near DA and Polygon is decay. They allow us to scale very fast. And as you can see, for example, Wallet 1, which goes through the EVM network, depositing USDT, going through Haust Hub, tokens distributed, and then you have H tokens plus profit. So that's the basic thing of Haust smart contracts. And everything is hidden under the hood, which is very extremely important for new users, for people who is not related to DeFi but would love to experience some gains out of it. So Haust products include the wallet, the protocol, and the DEX. Everything inside one pocket. You can easily swap, send, and receive. And for example, you don't want to use Haust network. Okay, up to you. You can use the wallet just for swaps, for sending, receiving, because as aggregated layer, the AG layer integrated into the app, this is a perfect bridge for you to swap and transfer assets between different networks. So this is just a cool tool in crypto because, you know, we're actually a community-driven project, and we are users ourselves. So first of all, we're doing this network and this application in terms of we want to use it ourselves. And every feature, all tools, everything is integrated because of our experience, the latest technologies we see on the market, and we want to implement it and share with people. So the wallet now is going to look like this. It is a non-custodial wallet. It's really cool as for me, and I'm actually waiting for its launch so much to start using it, just to be honest. And it has, as I said, all tools. And an extra thing I would tell you, for example, you can have even double yield using Haust network application. For example, you deposit some money from Binance chain into Haust, and you receive, I don't know, 1,000 USDT tokens. And you will start automatically gain yield from the best protocols. And at the same time, you don't have a lock of these assets as you have on the, I don't know, on Lido or on other or Aave or other protocols. uh, you can immediately, for example, lend this money to someone else and gain extra yield. Or you can swap it, withdraw, and receive all rewards which was distributed within the time you use this asset in the wallet. So also, we've integrated some extra features in the wallet. This is so-called not airdrop, which we wanna launch the same with the app, but I will not show any screens or anything like that. Let it be some mystery for the future. But what I wanna say, it's gonna work like human-free raffle based on the blockchain hashes in the Haust network, which gonna and users of the Haust network will gonna participate in this automatically. We wanna try to reduce, bot farming and unnecessary movement in the token airdrops, which was before. We want to make it more transparent and, available for everyone. It's gonna be cool. With jackpots, free raffles, and everything, you're gonna see it soon. And next one. So to implement all the stuff, we got the best from the market. Gateway and NOIs are the developers which we unite, and with Haust Labs, we control over the things, and these guys are really cool. Of course, collaborating with Polygon and using their SDK is super cool. We believe this technology will be boosting within these years, especially by Aglair, which will unite all the networks and will bring the seamless usage of the application and transferring asset as if you just use your usual banking app or anything like that. And we're really happy to bring this all together in one application and deliver to you. So in a few words, so the Q4 will be a very promising and interesting period for Haust Network as we're gonna launch main products and gonna continuously add new networks. As soon as some cool networks will appear with good API, good platforms, Haust will expand on that, like doing a symbiotic integration around the market. So basically, that's what I wanted to say today. Thank you so much for your attention. Hope it's good for you to know some insights from Haust. Keep being posted, subscribe, and follow us. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye.